Great art moves us, inspires us. It frames the nature of the human experience. Great art can also be complex, mysterious, and baffling, packed with symbolism and references that escape us and frustrate our full enjoyment of the art. But what if you could unlock all those visual mysteries?
Hi, I'm Ed Leon for The Great Courses. Learn to grasp the full richness of a masterpiece, to unpack the hidden meaning in challenging sculptures and prints,
To master the critical ways of seeing needed to truly comprehend a work of art with How to Look at and Understand Great Art. Acclaimed professor Sharon Latshaw Hirsch leads you on an inspiring journey into color, line, illusion, perspective, composition, symbolism, and more to bring you inside the world of the artist and their creation.
Everything in the painting, the sculpture, or the print can be read as a sign or a signifier of something else.
You'll also experience hands-on demonstrations rarely found in an academic art course. A new world of beauty and insight awaits you. See the hidden visual language of art and learn how to read it, how to look at and understand great art. Order it now from The Great Courses.